In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a DocuSign document on desktop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to cancel a document that you no longer want anyone to sign using the DocuSign web app on your computer. Let's start on your DocuSign dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and sign into your DocuSign account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can see your recent activity, drafts, and documents that are out for signature. Make sure you're on a desktop or laptop rather than a mobile browser, because the layout and options we're using are designed for the desktop interface and will be easier to follow. From the dashboard, look towards the top or side navigation menu and find the section labeled Agreements. Go ahead and click on Agreements. This area is where DocuSign organizes the envelopes and documents you've sent or received. After clicking, you should see a list of your documents, often with columns like document name, status, and the date it was sent. Take a moment to let the page load fully, especially if you have a lot of agreements in your account. Now, find the specific document you want to void. This might be one that was sent by mistake, has incorrect information, or is simply no longer needed. Once you've located it in the list, move your cursor to the right-hand side of that row. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots next to the document you want to void. This will open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take on that document. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Void. When you click on Void, DocuSign will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to void this document, and may prompt you to add a brief reason. This is useful because recipients will often be notified that the document has been voided, and your reason can help avoid confusion later. Once you confirm, the document's status will change to void, and no one will be able to complete or sign it anymore. That's all there is to it. You've successfully voided a DocuSign document on desktop, helping you keep your agreements accurate and up to date.